Application of trigonometry, class 10, chapter 12, exercise number 12.2. We are doing second problem. A 1.5 meters tall boy is looking at the top of the temple, which is 30 meters in height from a point at a certain distance. Suppose here is my boy. He is looking at a temple. I told you clearly this is my horizontal line. This is my angle of elevation above the horizontal line. Oh, his height is 1.5 meters. Once again I am telling, 1.5 meters tall boy is looking at the top of the temple, which is 30 meters high. So from here to here, 30 meters high. This is 30 meters high. Okay. But this is 1.5, keep in mind, because this is the height of the boy. So remaining height is required to calculate the distance between boy and the temple. 28.5. Okay. Suppose this is my AB, is my temple. CD is my height of the boy. Suppose this is A, B, C, D, E. Suppose this is my E. AE subtracted from the AB, we get B. It is very, very clear. AB minus AE is nothing but BE. BE is equals to
AB minus
AE.
E.
That is equals to 30 minus 1.5, that is equals to 28.5
meters.
Okay. This is remaining height of the table. Okay, anyhow, it's just observing a power distance, we don't know. That the reason at a certain distance, that distance be 70 meters. So AD is equals to the distance between boy and temple is equals to D meters. That's all. Once again I am telling, a 1.5 meters tall boy is looking at the top of the temple, which is 30 meters high from a point at a certain distance. The angle of elevation is high to the top of a crown of the temple is increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees. Suppose this is 30 degrees. It's walk towards the temple and we observe the same B again, and this is 60. Oh, towards the temple. Find the distance he walked towards the temple. The total distance is a D and the walk towards the temple is say some X. Okay. Okay. This is my total distance, keep in mind. This is my total distance D. Okay. By observing this one, this is my big right angle line. I can apply trigonometric identities. A trigonometric ratio, sorry. Consider right angle triangle, big right angle triangle. I would like to consider the big right angle triangle. Keep in mind. opposite side is B and adjacent side is EC. Triangle BCE at E 90 degrees, and this is my angle of elevation BCE is equals to how much angle of elevation?
30
30 degrees. Okay. Now tan 30 degrees, with respect to tan 30 degrees, keep in mind, suppose it is not here. Suppose this is my big right angle triangle. See, opposite side is BE divided by
EC.
adjacent side is EC. That is equals to, this is I already explained here, right? BE is 28.5 divided by EC. EC is nothing but AD, because in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. Can I use it D here? I know this value tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equals to 28.5 by D. By cross multiplication, D is equals to, this is multiplied by 28.5 root 3. This is my total distance. Okay. Now coming to the second right angle triangle, this is my angle of elevation. He walks towards the temple and is seen same crowd at this point with an angle of 60 degrees. By observing this right angle triangle, tan 60 degrees, you should write the same enter again. Consider BE some F. And you write it down, angle of elevation and all. Okay. Tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite side BE divided by adjacent side is EF. So, but here very important point here. The total distance is D. But I need this one, this length. I need EF. That means EC minus FC is nothing but
This.
can I write it down? That's better. So EF is equals to
Yeah.
EF is equals to EC minus
CF.
very good CF. EC we already know, EC is nothing but AD is nothing but I take in T, D minus FC, that is my X already told you clearly. He walked towards the temple, say some X meters. Now write it down, tan 60 degrees is nothing but root 3 is equals to BE is nothing but 28.5 divided by D minus X. D minus X. Now see here. This is dividing, will go this side. Multiple. So root 3 into D minus X is equals to 28.5. Root 3 into D, root 3D minus root 3 into X, root 3X by distributing this one is equals to 28.5. Am I clear on that? But I know D value. Here it is. So root 3 into 28.5 root 3. In place of D, I taken 28.5. 5 root 3, my d value is replaced. Minus root 3 x is equals to 28.5. Root 3 into root 3, 3. So 28.5 into 3. Here it is plus, will go this side. Minus 28.5. Will go this side, root 3x. So 28.5 into root 3. 28.5 into 3. 3 5s are 15. 1 more. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1. 25. 1. 3 5s are 15. 1 no. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1. 25. 2 remainder. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2. 8. So 85.5
5 into
85.5 minus 28.5 is equals to
3.
root 3x. Am I clear on that?
Yes.
Now you subtract it. 85.5 minus how much?
28.
28.5. 0. How much? 15 minus 8. 7.
7 minus
Here 7 no?
5.
2. 5. 57. So I would like to do it here. So root 3x is equals to, by subtracting we get to 57. Then x is equal to 57 in by root 3. Here multiply no, we go this side, it divides. By rationalizing it to root 3, we get 57 root 3 by 3. 3 how many times? In 57. 57 divided with 3. 3 1 yeah, 3 2 7 9 times. So this is how many times you know?
19.
Therefore x is equals to 19 root 3 meters. So he walks towards the temple in 19 root 3 meters. Am I clear?